Hi, welcome to English Academy 101. My name is Michael, and I'm here to help you with your English learning journey. Today, we are going to learn about intensifiers. First, we are going to look at limited intensifiers. Second, we will look at strong intensifiers. Third, we will look at the strongest intensifiers. Fourth, we will look at negative intensifiers. Lastly, we will look at intensifiers versus adverbs of frequency. If you would like to skip ahead to any part in today's lesson, we have added video chapters below that you can select. Limited intensifiers. These adverbs are the least strong words in the list. They do add strength to the words they are describing, but only a little bit. Examples include somewhat. That exam was somewhat difficult. Pretty. I am pretty sure you are wrong. Fairly. I am fairly certain that the cinema opens at 10 a.m. Strong intensifiers. These intensifiers strengthen the action more than the previous group. Examples include quite. Be careful, the food is quite hot. Rather. The homework is rather difficult. Strongest intensifiers. These intensifiers show the greatest strength of action. Examples include really. I am really tired. Very. She is very good at math. Extremely. It is extremely windy today. Note: very is the most common intensifier in the English language. It is so common that it is often overused. Consider using other more descriptive words such as absolutely, amazingly, astoundingly, colossally, completely, dreadfully, especially, exceptionally, excessively, extraordinarily, extremely, fantastically, frightfully, fully, highly, incredibly, literally, mightily, moderately, outrageously, quite, radically, rather, really, remarkably, so, somewhat, strikingly, supremely, terribly, terrifically, to, totally, uncommonly, unusually, utterly. Negative intensifiers. A common negative intensifier is at all. You can use it in the following manner. I don't like vegetables at all. They didn't notice it at all. Adverbs of frequency. It is important to note that an intensifier and adverbs of frequency are not the same. Adverbs of frequency give more precise information about the action being performed, while intensifiers increase the intensity of the action being performed. In addition, intensifiers are generally used in informal conversation. In more formal situations, using intensifiers can be seen as being overly flowery. If you would like to learn more about adverbs of frequency, check out our video. We have included a link in the description below. If you would like some more practice with intensifiers, check out our website, EnglishAcademy101.com, where we've included some additional exercises. We've included a link in the description below. That's it for now. Don't forget to keep studying your English.